Are you tired of managing your Facebook accounts manually? In this video, I'll show you how to handle dozens of profiles in just a few clicks. Welcome back to Chung Social Tools channel. Today, I'm going to continue guiding you on how to use this unlimited Facebook management software. This is my website, mktinsta.com. If you want to explore more tools, just click on Product to see the full list of available software. Now let's return to the Facebook management software interface. In the previous video, I showed you how to import multiple accounts with proxy. Let's log in. Just one click and the accounts will automatically open. These accounts don't have avatars yet, so now I'll bulk update avatars for them. First, close all the accounts that are currently open. Then go to Account function. Select the category Guide Add Account, and choose 25 accounts. Set the delay time like I did, and choose Change Manually as the change type. Click on the details you want to update. In this case, avatar, cover photo, and website info. I already made a video about changing by UID. You can click the top left corner to watch that video. Now, select the avatar folder. The software will randomly pick images from this folder. Do the same for the cover photo folder. Next, enter your website URL to be added to the profiles. Once you've selected all the information you want to change, click Start. The software will run in the background and show you the status updates. When it finishes, it will display a completed notification. Let's return to account management and log into the recently updated accounts to check the changes. As you can see, all avatars and cover photos have been successfully updated. Editing personal profiles this way is super fast and efficient. Alright, that's the full tutorial on how to bulk update profile info quickly and easily. If you need more information, feel free to visit my website or message me directly via Telegram, at @TUJungMKT or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel.